Now with the second video, we are moving up and then we go to, now we are done with the name. So sender ID. When we are talking about the sender ID, we are talking about the customized name. Now this is how you are coming to customize the name. So I want the name to go as Delac. I want the name to go as MTN Ghana. I want the name to go as maybe Pamakers. I want the name to go as whatever company name you have, but you should know that the name, the customized name has a limit. So you can't send a name with long characters. As in, when the characters of the name is a lot, you can't send it unless probably you shorten it. So the sender name I want to use is Delac Notes. I would want to write notice, but depending on, so sender ID, so I can write Delac commercials, but it's not going through because it's too long. So I can write Delac notice so that you know that all the messages that are coming from Delac notice is from our company to notify you on our information. So I have Delac notice. So anytime you see Delac notice, then you know that it is from this company. They are giving us notice. And then purpose for sending messages to client. They are trying to tell you not to type any short thing like personal. Maybe purpose of the sender ID, personal, for work, for business, for communication, for this, for that. You shouldn't do it like that, and you shouldn't abbreviate it. Just write the purpose, explain the purpose of which you are using the notice. So you explain it there. Now even the notice is too long, so let me use the Delac note. Now I'm done, and then add sender ID. So it will save successfully. You can use a lot. So I can create another one. Perhaps I have Delac training for Delac clients, maybe for this church, for CAC, something like that is nice. CAC, if it is for the church, Assemblies of God, maybe AG. So whichever company or church or institution you would want to. So I can write maybe Delac clients here, and then purpose for sending messages to company clients, and then I save. So I can have a lot of customized names. So when you are going to send the message, all what you need to do is to select the particular customized name you want. So if I have a customized name for the church, I have a customized name for my company, I have a customized name for my personal use which I send to my client, or maybe if my personal use, probably my friends, I want to send messages to them. So I write my nickname, and when the messages go, they know me by that name, and they know that the message is coming from me. So whichever way, when you are sending the message, you come and select the particular customized name you want it to go to, and it will move. You see the response here, the sender ID registered successfully and will take up to 6 hours to get approved. For urgent approvals after 5 p.m. on weekends, please contact us. So you can contact them if you want them to approve it on time so that you can start using it as soon as possible. And when you come to the same sender name, you'll be able to put in another name if only you still have other customized name you would want to use. So this is that for the register sender ID.